Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya, and today I'm going to explain the benefits of the Easibelt. The Easibelt is the perfect solution for distribution centres for temporary or permanent processing lines that handle loose products. Designed specifically for industrial applications in mind, the Easibelt delivers efficient unit handling wherever it goes. Coveya manufacture this conveyor in over 20 standard lengths and in a variety of widths: 300mm, 600mm and 900mm. These two conveyors are fitted with food-grade belts and have a belt speed of 0.2 to 0.9 metres per second. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.